Hey guys, it's Amy. Today I'm going to a goat farm which I'm here and I'm gonna feed them. So I'll show you around to the feeding area and let's go and feed them. Come on. Oh, there's small babies. Goats. Oh, they look nice. This is the nursery. I can't believe it. They look so cute and tinny, you know? Oh, they're tinny. Oh my god, there's a lost one. You heard that? Here, here. These are the older ones. Breathing up. One word here. Okay, let's move on. They look like they're begging. I mean, come on.
我帮你拍一个照片，来，弟弟来，你喂它的时候，我帮你要啊，不是我不舍，你